Hi, welcome to our section RS11 parameter simulation. As in the previous lecture, we have designed the geometry of our antenna. Now we will simulate this antenna so that we may see that whether this antenna is operating or at our desired frequency or not. So for that, what we will do, we will go to the simulation and we will go to the home, and then we will click on start simulation. We will select the range of frequencies for which we want to see the reflection coefficient. So our desired frequency is 13 gigahertz, so we will start from 10 gigahertz and our last frequency will be 20 gigahertz. Click on OK. Now the simulation of our geometry which we have designed in CST had started. As you can see that the simulation is almost completed. So now as we are interested in the S11 parameters only, so we will look into the S11 parameter and we will find out that whether our antenna is operating at the desired frequency or not. So here in the mesh, there is a parameter which is called S parameter. You can see that the reflection coefficient is below minus 10 dB, so it is fine. But we see that our antenna is operating at 15.5 gigahertz frequency, but we need it to be operating at 13 gigahertz frequency. So for this we need parametric sweep so that we may identify the actual and the desired parameter or the desired dimension of the patch. So in the next section, I will tell you that how we apply parametric sweep.